No,
Just
Dottie,
as I
no,
suspected,
stop
the
it.
aliens
We know.
uploaded a virus,
Dottie,
which is slowly
please.
deleting my program.
This is my first time
I'm
playing, so I
available
have
for
no clue how
guidance
this
if you
works.
require.
Dottie, please. Okay, we'll have to look at the tutorials, guys. Oh man, I accidentally misclicked.
I have determined that two of you are secretly aliens.
shame.
All right, everyone, tell us your
Please
roles.
wow,
use your
agent
device
again.
and confirm your identity.
Alan?
Your device will tell
My
you if
alien
you are
ass.
truly an
Alan.
What is
alien,
this?
but
Who?
by my calculations, you will have 15 minutes before I cease to
Calculadora.
be. So I'd appreciate it if you could figure out who the aliens are and then push that button.
Eat
Right,
my.
nah,
Oh my
fine.
gosh, that's why it's called that. What the hell?
You
Hey, Shadow,
will be
these
our
5-year jokes
first
actually bother you? I
captain.
can stop, by the way.
No,
Choose an available room
Shut
and
the
your
fuck up.
desired
I
participant.
just want to make sure.
I'm not letting you know.
Fucking hate that guy.
Oh, cool.
That means it bothers him.
Joel, really quick,
Alright.
really quick before you select. Yeah, do really fast and hit enter so then they can't. Yeah, very nice.
You have entered the drawing quarters.
I just wanted to try to help.
Draw
I know,
prompt on
but
your
it's funny because
device.
it also slows me down.
Oh, okay.
I was like, wait, should I wait? But no, I get you.
Body. I just feel like whoever Thoughtie's voice actresses is really okay. Never mind.
Hit me up.
I said it and I stopped way too many times for that.
Oh, is there a submit button? Wait, how to... Sorry, I have my screen region too fat for my video. Sorry to reference a
If they're
past
taking too
game.
long to draw, the hurry up button can help pick up the pace.
I can't wait to see this. You only have a little bit of time left. Whoever's still drawing.
Yes, doll ball.
I feel like there has to be a giant penis or something that we're gonna... Hello? Thoughtie? Thoughtie?
Initialize.
Game
Oh,
Crasher. Okay, that was
prompt
weird.
humans saw was draw a fancy dress.
oh.
Now let's see the results.
I didn't know.
Do any of these answers
Wait,
seem
What does that
does
even
that
say?
say?
I didn't get no fucking fancy dress prompt, my alien ass. What's suspicious about that? What's suspicious about that? Come on. What do you fucking
Is
do?
this some alpha ass move,
this is-
Shadow?
Who is fucking sussing me? YouTube.com/ShadowPeteSing for all your alien gameplay.
Fucking hate that guy.
What the fuck?
This is bold.
Amazon has girlfriend who.
We're on the
What?
clock here,
If this
people,
is
so
some
let's
like
keep it
5-year
going.
play, Shadow, I'm gonna lose my shit.
Shut the fuck up. I am suspicious.
Yeah, this man plays Town and Salem every goddamn day and brags about it.
I think we're gonna
Riley.
take our sweet ass
Next
fucking
captain.
time.
Dude, I can just picture the comment section right now. Shadow's such a fucking alpha.
Okay,
This is
wait.
Oh god, it makes me mind bothered.
Typing
There's
this
less
with
than
one hand on my
13
Hey,
keyboard.
crap.
don't use Shadow on anything else. Fuck him.
I don't know.
Shadow anything?
Shut up, Shadow.
I don't know if I covered
me
one of the
and
drawings,
Coach.
by the way, people watching. I'm sorry. I didn't think about it.
I like writing pod the most. So don't put Shadow in since we.
No. Yeah, we know.
All right. Actually, I don't want to put G in. Sorry, he's already been tested. We'll do the other two.
Okay.
Put me in, coach.
Writing test initiated.
Put me in, coach.
Write an answer to the prompt on your device.
I'm still laughing at Shadow's fucking play, dude.
Oh shit, I fucking misspelled something.
Ooh, that's something an alien would do.
Alien perceived. My favorite winter
Bud.
activity is
Sledding.
Sitting in a
You're piano when he comes in your chimney.
By the way, this wasn't my prompt. My prompt was when it's cold,
Oh, so you got hacked.
Or he's an alien.
I don't know. I'm looking over at my thing, and it's not looking like before was hacked. I can see it because I'm an alien. Let's just take more time and deliberate here. So we have nobody who
we're on the clock
saying
here,
that he
people,
likes
so
his
let's
sledding.
keep it going.
Thank you so much.
Hey, what are we doing? What
This
is
is.
this?
I don't know how to play right now. He's flipping the script.
Next
Wait,
captain
what?
identified.
This is
All
5 years.
Shadow's the
You.
captain. Shadow's the captain.
Years of...
Okay, someone is gonna be hacked this round.
Hey,
Wait,
hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Time out. Can he just stall at the screen the entire time?
Yes, hurry.
Wait, just
Click the hurry
Oh,
button.
he has the hurry button. Sorry, I forgot you could do that at this screen.
I don't know what I want to pick.
Imagine you couldn't hurry the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. His fucking tongue
Do I want the drawing quarters? Do I want the deliberation? Yeah,
I
I think,
love
Once that will be
Fucking
less
hate
than
that
the
guy.
sky.
Fucking hate that
I think we go here.
Time's up, former captain.
Former captain.
New captain
What?
selected.
Wow.
Oh, you have to choose probably.
Holy racism.
Oh, drawing.
Draw.
Oh, she's drawing it.
Quick.
If we, yeah, hurry.
What are we hurrying?
Because at 10 minutes, the thing
Ready.
comes up.
What comes up?
What
The
they
fucking
draw could be
bioscanner.
Quite revealing.
Oh. Okay, my shit's glitched.
Wait, what do you mean?
It's actually kind of fun.
I don't know what this word is. Did I get fucking?
What the?
Welcome to the
Oh,
I
wait.
had to fix my screen, man. My shit was glitched. It wouldn't let me.
Okay, honestly, it kind of works.
There's
Honestly, it kind of
There's
works.
still a lot
Hurry,
of
hurry,
time left.
hurry.
Are you
hurry him up.
absolutely sure you've got
Is that a
this
fake
right?
glitch?
Since this is
No,
our
no, no,
first
no.
time
Fake glitch?
here,
No, I think he probably.
now the
No,
non-isolated
no, it was
members shall
100%
vote.
glitch.
What was the prompt that
Okay,
last one? Because
time to
mine said
vote.
draw slush, and I don't even know what the fuck slush is.
The vote has failed.
Mine was melted snow. So
Mine was melted
Oh,
snow.
so that type of. I didn't know if it wanted me to draw a slushy or
All we
melted
can do is
snow.
keep
What the
testing
fuck is
until you
that?
can all agree. Okay, next captain,
dare you.
you're in charge.
D4, do the
The
thing.
Deluxe 4.
Alright, hurry the fuck
Oh,
Oh
This is just a
yeah.
bioscanner.
okay.
I hope
All
you've
all right,
chosen
boys,
a team
gotta
you can
listen to me this
trust.
time.
Okay,
Don't
listen,
fuck it up.
listen. Take your time. Take your time.
All right, you got
Correct
3
now.
dots. You got 2 up top, 1 down low. You got an alien. 2 of the sides do not touch, so they're symmetry, but they do not touch. You got 1 side has like it looks like an alien face, but it's kind of got like a cursive F that goes to left, a
Three-
cursive F goes
three
to
dots?
right. They're,
There's only
Yeah,
one with 3 dots.
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Then you
Alright,
got a
hurry this up.
running man to the right, and then he has a dick coming off his back leg.
Come on.
Well, what do you mean
man,
running?
is
What do you
this?
mean running man to the right? Okay, he's running to the right. Just one dick, right?
And going
He's
to
got 3 legs.
One dick?
Going
4
from the
dots.
left
Shut the
to
fuck up, Shadow. Is the
One
dick
dick?
going down or is the dick going up? That's
Dick's
what we
going
got
up.
confused last time.
I think the
One
dick's
dick.
going up.
One dick, right?
From what I say.
One
Yeah.
dick. Okay.
One dick.
dots.
One dick.
Okay.
And then the last one is guy pumping gas. He has
Backwards
he
F.
has a dot. He's got like a little shape, and he's
Sitting
got
on a
the
cactus.
The F,
gas
right?
nozzle on his left side.
I'm taking
the
off
F.
the dick. Yeah, the F. D4. I took out the dick one, so
Yeah.
it's going. It's like it's an F backwards, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Then the guy pumping gas is a guy, a circle, then a like a D underneath him, and
Yes.
then the F.
Whoa, time out, time out. Is it connected? Is it all one connection?
No, it's not connected. There's
Okay.
2 separate parts.
Wow, I almost got that
Beautiful,
wrong. Thank
Speedy.
you.
Take your time. Take your time.
Okay.
Can we hurry up?
I mean.
I think I have.
Time side, you're fine.
Okay.
Okay, I'm glad you said something. So I
Yeah.
had the wrong fucking one pick, dude. That would have been
For anyone that clips audio of our videos, the
Captain,
last minute
choose
and a
any
half
other
would be an
player
interesting
and
one.
you will learn
Who
their
do
true
I pick?
identity.
Speedy
Animated.
Make
Who-
sure
Who
this
do
is
I
Um,
pick?
not
Speedy
a
side?
me.
I don't know. I don't know.
me.
secret.
G or
Put my
Joel,
ass in there.
or me or,
Captain,
I guess
or
you,
Speedy.
Joel, your best.
Proceed.
They haven't said much, so you
Yeah.
can take what you can from them.
All right, I'll pick Joel.
You could be the fucking alien.
Not good, but you know.
Dude, what if?
Help out here.
I was gonna. Okay, I was gonna say, what if you
I'm trying
picked
to
your
get
alien
Shadow
buddy, and then I'm
hurry
like, Shadow's still here.
Now I invert.
Okay, what is
Give
it?
you a hint.
The
Joel is
bioscanner's
human.
pretty cool, huh?
Okay.
I made it out of
Now
simple
I'm just playing
microwaves.
Deadvol's avocado. Okay, Deadvol's.
Yes.
Hurry up, guys.
They
Push,
could
hurry
both
up.
be
What if
alien.
I'm
Okay, never
making
mind.
the
There
best
can't be both
human
alien.
play possible?
That'd be fucking.
Ah, you know, why we gotta hurry this up, man? Let's just.
I think humans rely on not screwing each other, so I don't think this is a human play.
Nah, man, I'm human, dude.
I'm rebooting the bioscanner. It will be
So
available
G
again in
by
5
process of
minutes.
elimination
And
should
the
be
title of
the
captain
alien,
has
but
been
we don't know for sure.
passed.
Yeah.
No, I don't. But I don't think the bioscanner thing. I think an alien or the bioscanner with on the 10-minute mark. I think they could still pass it. But yeah, I know G wasn't at the bioscanner.
Wait, you're saying the second bioscanner, the alien can't get right even if they
Time
want
for
to?
some more art.
I think it would look less sus delaying a second
Your
bioscanner.
drawings
Yeah,
could
I
reveal
completely agree.
who-
Delay that.
I completely agree
bioscanner.
with Joel.
Oh, what the hell? I can't push this button again. What the fuck?
Yeah, you only have one.
I want to
Pushy.
push the button.
Let's try to get as many rounds as we can.
But
Dude, this is interesting. I don't know what the hell's gonna happen. What if this whole time Shadow was a human?
If he was, I'm gonna.
And then
fucking
at
throw
the
him.
end, he just pulls it out. It's like, okay, this guy, you know, I picked this up, and you know.
Yeah, that's reported for game
Did I
throwing if that's
mention that
if
if
that's a
humans use
thing.
all of their button pushes without success?
Hurry, hurry. Okay, good.
Mine said
Here
draw a
is the
scary
human
animal, so.
prompt.
Okay.
It's not right.
Well,
Draw
Oh.
something spooky.
Oh, I did pretty good then, if that's the thing I'm supposed to do. We drew the same thing, G.
Jesus, jack-o'-lantern.
I don't know, Speed. It's pretty sus.
Fuck off, Shadow.
I don't know, G. That's pretty sus too.
What animal is that, Speedy?
Wait, what's
D4, what's suspicious about a lava lamp? I don't.
D4? How's that an alien though?
It's a ghost.
This virus
I
is
don't
getting
know how else
on
you would
my
draw a
nerves.
ghost.
Let's figure this out.
But it's a.
Next, Captain.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I know who the other alien is.
Who is it?
It's you.
Say it.
The
Pussy.
rotten pod.
Come on, let me play, man.
I really
Back to
don't
the
like how
writing
this is
pod.
going.
Glad you like it.
I don't either. I don't know who else like the other one could be.
Let's see if there's any weird responses.
You guys making me breathe hard. Ta-da!
Nice.
Eat my asshole.
Pothole.
Hurry it up.
Hurry, hurry,
Take
hurry.
your time. You're fine.
Come on, Vominos. Come on, let's get
Everybody,
to
The
it.
go.
human prompt was... The song I know all the words to is...
Uh-oh.
All right,
No,
yeah,
no,
no,
really
let's,
then.
let's sing it.
Stinky?
Not even like a Linkin Park song, D4?
No, it's
I was
always
gonna
fuck
say-
it up.
I was gonna say
You do
right
kind of
about
always
Rebecca
fuck it up,
Black.
don't you?
You fucking.
Yeah, I don't know why that's.
I'm pretty sure it's.
No,
whole
no,
thing
don't hurry it up. No. We gotta test this. Everybody sing the song.
Sing none I really don't, D4.
Something, something,
Huh?
Hotel Cal. No, I knew all that's my favorite song.
Next, Captain, please.
Go ahead, sing it, Speedy. Speedy, sing it.
Dude, it's my favorite song, D4. You fucking asshole, mate.
Sing it, sing it, sing it.
Warm
I've heard him say
smell
that
of
before.
colitas rising up in the air.
It is
We
Thursday.
haven't served that drink here since spirit since 1969. Can I pick someone now, you fucking
Keep
asshole?
going.
What is-
Small
They're
confession.
stalling, just
I have
choose.
no idea where we're going.
Can I draw something, please?
No.
No. Who do we want here?
You just like
Come on,
immediately take
man.
yourself out of the game.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I thought I.
Damn it! How many times are you gonna pick?
I'm glad
me?
I'm pretty
Jesus Christ.
fucking trusted.
What they draw could be quite revealing.
I thought we were friends. I guess my friends don't like playing with me. That's fine. Fucking hate that guy. I think we go here.
What the
Yeah,
fuck? I don't
go
even.
what?
Damn, Joel, you ain't even an alien and you haven't been tested. That's a shame.
People don't like to test me. You don't want to test these hands, I'll say that.
I don't know one, so I just
And
just
here's
draw it
the
out. I don't
human song.
fucking know.
I got the endangered animal one.
Draw an
Okay.
endangered
Nicely played,
animal.
Igor. Nicely played.
I put dodo bird, doo doo bird.
That's success.
Dodobers are extinct.
I know.
Okay,
that's why I didn't
Joel,
know
what is
one.
that? What is that?
That's an eagle. That's why it says free up top.
Oh, okay.
I thought it was very obvious.
free.
And then what is that,
Gee,
G?
what is that?
Polar bear on the last ice cap.
Let's just hurry up.
Okay.
That's a good one.
No. Can I? I just want to appreciate my friend's drawings.
Shut up. This is alpha shit, dog.
All right.
now.
Let's see here.
Oh my god.
Hurry it.
Why is the
Hurry
button not up?
Hurry it.
There's less than 2
I
minutes.
want to go to here. We'll go in the opinion hole.
better hurry up.
Yeah, we'll put.
You don't get a chance again.
We'll put.
Why is side not getting tested?
I don't
you know.
know.
That's an excellent fucking point.
That's with everyone hurried up. It still takes that long.
You done ran out of time, Captain.
I did not run out of time, you dumb bitch.
Next Captain, please.
Oh my god. this
Wait, what?
game.
Next captain
Wait,
again?
Is it
What?
Shadow again?
What?
Oh.
Dottie, what the hell are you doing?
Hurry him up! Hurry him up!
Oh, and he's wasting the fucking bioscanner.
Oh no.
Should I press the button just so he doesn't have it,
No,
or is he
no,
still?
No, no,
captain?
if you're-
press the button.
Takes
If you're human,
forever.
you don't want to press the
captain,
button.
Captain, I'm sending
Yeah, but
you
we
the
need to get him
correct
out.
Yeah, but
list
Shadow's
now.
just gonna
True,
fuck the
true,
glyph, so
true,
it doesn't
true,
matter.
Hurry. Hit the hurry
That's a
button.
good point. Hurry.
Are we hurrying or are we?
No. Like, hit the button.
Hit the fucking hurry
Hey,
button.
Jesus.
All right, I'm gonna go grab a drink. I'll be right back.
Press the red button or the fucking green
The
button.
red button.
Jesus, you guys are saying hurry button. Goddamn.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know what you meant. I'm fucking hitting it as well, so I don't know if it was me or not, but
Here we go again.
is this me or is it G?
Honestly,
Boom, will you
I was like,
answer?
one
this is even if I mean, this is not gonna go through, but this is what I think it is.
I think so
You think it's
too.
me?
I think it's so too.
Why
I've gotten all of them
Time to
right.
vote.
Look at my fucking
Because
shit.
on Dodo Bird,
Because the-
D4 said I got one of them. I don't know
The vote
the
has
2 or something
failed.
like
I
that.
said literally I don't know any, and so I draw a dodo bird. That's all
But you
I'm
said
saying.
two.
Don't
You
know
said
the
two
button
somewhere in that
pushes,
sentence.
Next,
No, I
Captain.
didn't.
Go,
Yeah, you
go,
did.
go.
No, you did. You did.
You're trying to
He
help
did.
us.
He really did.
Before
He really did.
Oh,
G.
no.
G, you know, right?
I would
Wait, what?
say side's probably good because he voted right away there and didn't wait for the bullshit. So I would put him in the scanner here.
Why not
Why are you
Speedy?
putting Joel?
Well,
Why not?
remember
Because
that
I want him
has
to
been
fuck up.
working in
Oh yeah,
the
oh yeah, oh yeah.
fuck-
Joel's confirmed human. Joel's
Captain,
confirmed
I'm
human. All right,
sending
hurry,
you the
D4.
correct
Shit, I'm the one that did it.
Hurry,
dumbass.
D4, hurry,
Okay,
D4.
So you got 2 dots. All this doesn't touch. 2 dots at the top. There's a frowny face, and then there's a spade on the bottom.
Got it.
There's a spade on the
All right,
bottom.
The
All
next,
right, there's a
yes.
shovel. There's a smiley face going
Wait,
on
Next
there.
one, there's 2 heads. It looks like a
One kinda looks like it's got a
two-headed
penis.
spider. It's got 3
Uh,
legs and 2 heads on the left side.
Okay,
That's a
I
tricky
don't know the
Don't
first
forget-
one. I
don't
don't know
forget
the first
hurt-
one.
Okay, the last one is a dot in the middle. It looks like a person with their hair on fire, but it's got like a C around it, and then it's got like it's a line with 2 dicks coming off of it. 2 small dicks.
Dude, I don't know any of these.
Okay, that's why you're a fucking alien.
I'm dude.
Side's
Say
probably
say it
good.
again. Say it again.
So far left, it's got 2 dots up top.
No, first one.
It's
Very,
got a
very,
frowny
very
face,
first one.
and it's spades. I am.
The
Okay.
first one looks like a face.
2
Side.
dots up top.
Okay, I got it.
then
I got it.
it's
I got it.
frowny
I got
face,
it.
and then
Okay.
it's a spade. The far right one,
15
it's
seconds.
got a dot. Then it has a C, and then it has another hieroglyphics on the right.
Okay, I got it. I got it. Third one.
That's it.
We had 2 seconds. We had 2 seconds left. We had 2 seconds left.
Okay,
Jesus,
it's
help.
on like the
Push
game
the
with the
button.
Hey, does that say 2.8?
Why did you push the button side?
Because we had 2 fucking seconds left.
In the game?
Yes.
Well,
You only have 30
obviously it's
seconds.
Shadow, but if it's not
I personally,
D4, then it's Speedy.
yeah,
But
I don't know. It's between D4 and Speedy for me.
Because Speedy fucked up the spooky part, that spooky one.
Time's running out.
I got
Yeah,
fucking hacked.
yeah. I feel like they ran out of hacks by that
Yeah.
point, right? What do you guys think? I feel like they ran out of hacks by that
I
point.
think side is the other fucking alien.
Oh
I
fuck.
thought
The whole.
Take your
No.
time.
Oh, what's it better?
Literally, Shadow played the alpha play. He goes, "Hey, side is the
Okay,
other
time
alien"
to
at the very
vote.
beginning of the game.
No, he did not. He literally didn't. Okay,
Yes,
that
he
means that
did.
D4 is
He
alien. That
literally-
means that
think
D4 is
side's
alien.
good though. That's the problem.
That means vote no, vote no, vote no. Hurry, 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 vote
Side
no.
literally voted no right away.
Joel, Joel,
vote has
push the button. Push the
failed.
button as soon as you can.
Don't tell Joel what to do, fuckface.
Push the button as soon as you can, Joel.
Don't run out of button pushes, human.
Joel,
Fuck!
I was pushing it. I was swinging on it.
It's
That's
Oh,
a damn
fuck!
shame. That right there is a
I was
damn
clicking the
shame.
button.
5 fucking years I didn't do shit, dude! Oh my god, it's just like, oh, I'm gonna fucking master this shit!
Dab.
D4,
Years, man!
D4, I'm sorry, bro. D4, I'm
Damn.
sorry, bro. I'll be real.
Dab.
I hate you, dude. You're the
Come on,
worst.
come on. You said I was alien.
Massive on that. I thought so. I
Yeah,
kinda-
because you were throwing so hard, I figured you were.
What do you mean? I got all of them fucking right.
Maybe.
Speedy, what was your prompt for something spooky?
Draw a scary monster. Or scary animal.
That's the same.
Dude, I was so fucking pissed when you were not hacking anybody, you little.
I didn't know how to do it. I
know you
kept
didn't know how
clicking
to
my
do
name.
it. That's why.
I legit didn't know how to fucking hack because no one's told me.
I think one person should be the hacker out of the 2. Unless you want to like have some argument about it.
Fuck, dude, that's never happened before us yet. Okay, GG, GG.